Sony A7 IV Firmware 6.01 is out, and this one actually fixes the last update. Yeah, the one they pulled. Plus, it adds genuinely useful shooting and video tools. So in the next few minutes, I will show you what you get and the cleanest way to install it without breaking your day. First, check your firmware you are currently on. Menu, setup, setup option, version, body, and your version. And write it down, this matters. And here's where Sony makes it a little confusing. If you are on the firmware 101 or earlier, you cannot go straight to the 6.01. You will get an error. So you need to install 105 first, then 6.01. But if you are already on 105 or anything higher, then go straight to the 6.01. And here is the other thing. The Creators app, Sony's mobile app for firmware updates, only works if you are already on the firmware 2.0 or higher. So if you are on the ancient firmware, you are doing this the old school way, the memory cards. So, the memory card method. This works for everyone. Just simply go to the Sony support page, link in the descriptions, and download the firmware file. It's called bodydata. No, just bodydata. Now, just format the memory card in your camera and copy the file to the root of the card. Not in folder, just to the root. Now, important, if you need both 105 and 6.01, just do them one at a time. Don't put both files on the same card because the file names are identical, which is here a choice. Put the card in slot 1, full battery, and now menu, setup, setup option, version, software update, and hit execute. Don't touch anything, don't remove the battery, it takes just a few minutes. Don't freak out, camera restarts when done. And now just check the version again to confirm. And then just format the card before you start shooting. And now the funnier part. If you are on firmware version 2.0 or higher, you can use the Creators app on your phone. Just connect to the camera and it will show you if the update is available and it will walk you through the transfer. Same rules apply. Full battery, don't interrupt, slot 1. And here's quick backstory. The firmware 6.0 dropped like November 25th, but Sony pulled it like December 1st because some cameras started like infinite reboot loops. And others went to the power save mode anytime you close the screen. So 6.01 fixes both issues. So if you were scared off by the drama, it's safe now, probably. Anyway, let's look at what we've got. So, let's start with autofocus, which got some proper updates. Spot XL, bigger spot, more forgiving, great for erratic subjects. Custom focus zones. This is the one. You can draw your own AF areas now. 3 custom presets, save them, switch between them. If you shoot events or sports or anything where your subjects move through the specific parts of the frame, this changes your workflow. And all of these work with tracking. So tracking Spot XL and tracking custom 1, 2, 3. And this one is for video shooters. Clip flagging. Mark takes as okay, not good, or keep during or after recording. So no more scrubbing through the 50 identical takes in post. And audio levels visible the whole time you record. And not just when you tap. This was already on the A7 R5. Now the Sony A7 IV catches up. A dual card capacity display during relay recording. So you see both cards at once, no surprises. And now a few quality of life things. Display layout adapts for vertical shooting. Flip the camera and info flips video. Finally useful for reels. And larger menu text, good for everyone trying to read settings in this kind of sun. And for working pros, smarter FTP transfers, monitor and control app support, and authenticity camera solution, which is basically cryptographic signatures to prove that your files were not AI generated. They license aimed at newsrooms. So, this is the 6.01. Installation link in the descriptions, and if you've been putting this off since launch, now it's the time. And if Sony pulls this one too, I guess I will see you for the part 3. Hopefully not. Ciao.